Soto National Memorial, which has exhibits on De Soto, the Spanish Conquistador who was sent here to conquer Florida. Abbey House ruins. Mixture of oyster shells, lime, and water. Yeah, it's right here.
I know.
See it?
But I'm just saying it's barely there.
And as soon as we turned the corner, the wind kicked up and the sun went out. Yeah. Pick up the pace. We just heard thunder. That means we have heavy rain coming. We're trying to squeeze this one in between rainstorms. Heavy deluge just about 20 minutes ago, and the dark clouds are coming, and we just heard a thunder boomer. Coming on the last lap here of the nature trail here at De Soto National Memorial.